I love to cook and I love to try so many things in my kitchen. And of course, anyone I try and see that it goes, I'll come and show you videos of so many paps like this and that and all that you've seen. But you see this one I'm eating right now, this is super delicious. It's not just ordinary pap. It's not your regular pap you may think, but it is made from plantain and oats. Unripe plantain and oats. Yes, you heard me right. With these two ingredients, you can make healthy and delicious meal for everyone. After researching about unripe plantain and oats, I found out that it's high in fiber and contains a lot of iron and calcium, making it awesome for someone on weight loss diet or someone who's trying to put his or her weight in check. What about the aged ones? This is super nice for them. Ordinarily, you know that oat is so rich in fiber because it will give you that full feeling and makes you to eat less food for the day. Plantain has the same properties. That is why when you combine the two of them, you will have a very full and healthy day. So to begin making this plantain and oat pap, what you need to do first is to wash your plantain first and then cut them into smaller chunks. Cutting them into smaller chunks will help your blender do the work seamlessly. No matter the kind of blender you are to use, please make sure you cut your plantain into smaller chunks. Then go ahead and blend until it's very smooth. Add your oats. You can blend the two of them together or you can blend separately. I blended the two of them together, adding very clean drinkable water. Emphasis on clean drinkable water. Please do not add too much water as we are aiming that this pap will come out very thick. Okay, if you add too much water, it will make your pap to run very watery. It will take more time to get properly cooked and thick, making you waste your time and your gas. Okay, so once your combo is well dissolved or well blended, add little water into the pot. Allow the water to boil first, then transfer the blended combo into the pot and then continue to stir. On a low heat, please stir this consistently. Do not allow it to form lumps or get burnt. Stir until they are lumps free and changes color. One of the ways to know when it's properly done is when it changes color and all lumps are all off. Emphasis on stirring consistently. Okay, at this point you can see that the color has changed. Yeah, and there are no lumps anymore. Depending on how thick or how soft you want it or how light you want it rather, go ahead and add little water to loosen it up, or if you want it very thick, this consistency is very okay. Next is to transfer into the plate and then serve. Whoever you want to serve this, depending on the age, whether adult or your child, you can use sweetener or you can just go ahead and serve with just milk. Powdered milk or liquid milk, anyone is fine. You can also add honey or any sweetener of choice, like I said. Enjoy your meal, guys. Our oats and plantain pap is very much ready. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. Do you like to explore things in the kitchen just like me? Let me also know in the comment section. You can see this was served with akara, so feel free to serve it with anything of choice and have a wonderful meal for the day. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share, as I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your body, because that's the only place you have to live in. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.